Hello and welcome back to my channel. So there's an easier way to regrout your floor, your shower, foyer, even a backsplash. Sometimes, over time, things start to get dirty and grout ages, and it's a little bit hard to get that natural color again. So this is a color chart. You have all these different colors from this product. Things have changed. There's a lot more colors. It's like a paint now, like a Benjamin Moore paint. There's so many colors. Back in the day, there only used to be a few colors. This here is called Mapai Grout paint. This is an avalanche. So it's 2 years old, the bottle, but I'm hoping that it'll still be good. It has been cracked open, but I don't have an extra bottle to do that. So right here, I'm just trying different size paintbrushes. It's not so good, but you can get something a little bit more of a wider mouth. My joints are 1/16, so I go with a little bit thinner paintbrush, just because it's just a little bit easier. And you don't want to make too much of a sloppy mess, but I wouldn't be discouraged because it does clean off unbelievably. So you shake the bottle if you have a fresh bottle. You can also cut the tip off and use just the tip and use the brush after you squeeze it off. You can do it that way as well. But because it's old, it's a little bit chalky in there. So all you do is just get, I put mine in a bowl here. And so what I do is just get the brush and just, slowly play with it. Like I said, if you have a fresh bottle, it'll go way faster. So I'm just switching up. I'm going with a wider brush. And there you go. I'm letting you know that this is a sample. I kind of did this for you on a piece of cardboard. I glued these tiles and I grouted it this morning before I went to work, and by the time I came home it was dry, obviously. And I did a warm gray. So just picture the warm gray grout as an old grout. It's dirty, and say you want to go back to the original grout, which in this case I did an avalanche. So I'm just brushing this on, and when you're done all that, you give it about 5 to 10 minutes. Just do a little area. But if I were you, I would do it in a little area, just so you can get the hang of it. And I will tell you, you will love this product. I'm letting you know, everybody here, that I don't advertise. I don't get paid for this, but these are just, Mapai's just been very good to me, and I love their products. Just like I love Schluter for doing my waterproofing in showers, or Dietra. There's all kinds of stuff that I like to use. I like to give every company a chance. I just want to try it out so I can come back and let you know if it's a good product or not. So far, things have been really good, and I've been pretty lucky. So as you can see, I'm adding a little bit more because, like I said, it's an older product. But a fresh bottle, you won't have to be doing that. You just probably do it one swipe or 2 swipes, and that's about it. So mind you, if you do a backsplash and if you do have a lot of like a mosaic, it will take you a lot more time. Now this bottle will go pretty far. You could probably get maybe 100 square feet off of one bottle. And if you have, depending on the joint size, it might take a little bit more. So see, what I'm doing here is just using my finger, running it down, right? And I'm gonna leave one spot for you at the end there, just to show you the difference between the new paint grout compared to the old grout. Okay, that'll be 5 minutes or 10 minutes if you had a fresh bottle. Okay, so all you do is you grab a white rag and you just damp it and squeeze out the water, right? And just fold it a little bit, and you just rub that rubber right off the tile itself. It's a big difference, eh? It amazes me how much things have changed over the years, you know? It's a blessing, and it makes things a lot easy for everybody. And things are tough with everybody, and if you like your old tiles and you just want to pretty it up, or you might want to sell the house or condo or whatever down the road, and you just want to show it off a little bit so it'll look brand new, then you'll be fine. So anyways, before you do that, it's probably best to use maybe a cleaner. I use old traditional water and vinegar as a cleaner, like you would do like the European style where they do their windows and stuff. Or you can use TPS, or you can use peroxide. So that's the old part. That's the good part. And that's the product. I posted some pictures for you to show you the 2,000 square feet of tiles I did, and it was charcoal. And like I said, that must have been about 7 or 10 years, and it's still immaculate. I hope this helps you all, guys. I try to do the best I can for you. So, all right. Well, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm not always on my YouTube page, but I'll try to do the best that I can, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.